Coming to thyroid gland. It develops from endoderm of the embryo. It is the largest endocrine gland located anterior to the thyroid cartilage of the larynx in the neck. It is a bilobed organ. The two lobes are connected by a narrow structure called isthmus. The microscopic structure of the thyroid gland shows thyroid follicles composed of cubical epithelium and filled with a hormonal material known as colloid. This is the diagram of thyroid gland. You can see there are thyroid lobes on the right and left side which are joined to each other by isthmus. Larynx is on the upper side and trachea is on the lower side. Small amount of loose connective tissue forms stroma of the gland. Besides containing blood capillaries, the stroma contains small clusters of specialized parafollicular cells or the C cells. Hormones. The thyroid gland secretes following hormones: thyroxine or the triiodothyronine, that is T3 and T4, and triiodothyronins or T3 are secreted by the thyroid follicular cells. Calcitonin is secreted by the C cells of the thyroid gland. Thyroxine and triiodothyronin T3, T4 and T3 contain 4 and 3 atoms of iodine. T3 is secreted in small amounts, hardly 10%, but it is more active and several times more potent than T4. The actual work is performed by T3 and the hormone after performing the work is converted into T4. T4 is also converted into T3 by removal of one iodine in the liver, kidneys and some other tissue. It makes it a more reactive hormone. T4 and T3 have similar effects on the target cells. They are generally considered together under the name thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland is the only gland that stores its hormones in a large quantity. T4 and T3 are synthesized by attaching iodine to the amino acid tyrosine. Functions of T3 and T4. They regulate the metabolic rate of the body and thus maintains basal metabolic rate BMR. They stimulate protein synthesis and therefore promotes growth of the body tissue. They regulate the development of mental faculties. Calcitonin, secreted when calcium level is high in the blood. It then lowers the calcium level by suppressing release of calcium ions from the bones. Thus, calcium has an opposite action to that of the parathyroid hormone on calcium metabolism. Disorders. Disorders of thyroid gland. Hyperthyroidism. Hypersecretion of thyroid hormone. Graves' disease or Basedow's disease or Paris disease, also known as exophthalmic goiter. It is thyroid enlargement in which the thyroid secretes excessive amount of thyroid hormone. Hypothyroidism. Cretinism. This disorder is caused by deficiency of thyroid hormone in infants, whereas in adults, this condition is called myxedema or the girl's disease. The parathyroid glands. They develop from endoderm of the embryo. Parathyroid gland consists of 4 separate glands located on the posterior surface of the lobes of the thyroid. These are the 4 parathyroid glands. Especially, some scientists consider it to be a pair of parathyroid glands. Cells of parathyroid glands are arranged in a compact mass and are made up of 2 types of cells: smaller chief cells or the principal cells and the large oxyphil cells. Hormone. The chief cells of the parathyroid secretes a hormone called parathyroid hormone or parathormone, also called Colles hormone after the name of the discoverer. Hormone increases calcium level in the blood. Parathyroid disorders. Hypoparathyroidism or the deficiency of PTH. It causes the lowering of blood calcium level. This increases the excitability of nerves and muscles, causing cramps and convulsions. Sustained contractions of the muscles of pharynx, larynx, face, hands and feet are produced. This disorder is called parathyroid tetany or hypocalcemic tetany. Hyperparathyroidism, excess of PTH. Excess of PTH draws more calcium from the bones. Coming to adrenal or the suprarenal gland, also known as gland of emergency. These are paired structures located on top of the kidney. Each adrenal gland has two parts, an external adrenal cortex and an internal adrenal medulla. Adrenal cortex is derived from the mesoderm, whereas adrenal medulla from the ectoderm. Cortex is surrounded by a fibrous capsule. This is the structure. You can see adrenal glands are present just above the kidney. There is a right adrenal gland and a left adrenal gland. Each adrenal is divided into two parts, an outer cortex and an inner medulla. Cortex is differentiated into three main parts or zones. Outer, thin glomerulosa, middle, thick zona fasciculata, and the innermost zona reticularis. Cells of the zona fasciculata and zona reticularis contains vitamin C. Hormones. Cortical hormones are grouped into three categories: mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and gonadocorticoids. Starting with mineralocorticoids. This hormone is secreted by the cells of zona glomerulosa of the adrenal cortex. They are responsible for the regulation of mineral metabolism. Main function is to regulate the sodium content of the body. It is secreted when the sodium level is low. It acts on the kidney to cause more sodium to be returned to the blood and more potassium to be excreted. Target cells. Mineralocorticoids act on the cells of the kidneys. Glucocorticoids. They affect carbohydrate metabolism. However, they also affect the metabolism of proteins and fats. Glucocorticoids includes three main hormones: the cortisol, also called hydrocortisone, the cortisone, and the corticosterone. Cortisol is the most abundant. About 95% of the hormones from adrenal are cortisol. It stimulates the liver to synthesize carbohydrates from non-carbohydrates such as amino acids and glycerol, thus increasing the glucose level in the blood. Cortisol also stimulates the degradation of proteins within cells and amino acids in the blood, therefore increasing the level of amino acids in the blood. Cortisol is to stimulate the breakdown of fats in adipose tissue and releases fatty acids into the blood. Thus, cortisol has anti-insulin effect. It also helps in reducing the pain. Cortisol is anti-inflammatory. It retards phagocytic activities of WBCs and thus suppresses inflammation reaction. Target cells. Glucocorticoids act on the cells of the liver. Coming to the third hormone from adrenal cortex, the gonadocorticoids or the sex corticoids. They are also called sex hormones of the adrenal gland. The male sex hormones are called androgen, which are important in the development of a male fetus. Androgen stimulates development of male secondary sexual characters like distribution of body hair. Target cells. Glucocorticoids act on the cells of the gonads, which are the testes and the ovaries. Disorders of adrenal cortex. Addison's disease. This disease is caused by deficiency of mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. Its symptoms are low blood sugar, low plasma sodium, high potassium, increased urinary sodium, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and a bronze-like pigmentation of the skin. Coming to Cushing syndrome. Excess of cortisol, which may be due to a tumor of the adrenal cortex. It is characterized by high BP, appearance of sugar in the urine, rise in plasma sodium, fall in plasma potassium, rise in blood volume, high blood pressure, obesity, and wasting of muscles of thigh and portal and pelvic girdles. The adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla develops from the neuroectoderm of the embryo. Medulla consists of chromaffin cells or pheochromocytes. These cells are connected with the preganglionic motor fibers of the sympathetic nervous system. The norepinephrine or the noradrenaline is a hormone from adrenal medulla. It regulates the blood pressure under normal condition. It causes constriction of essentially all the blood vessels of the body. It causes increased activity of the heart, inhibition of GIT, dilation of the pupil of the eyes, and so on. Epinephrine. It is secreted at the time of emergency. Hence, it is also called emergency hormone. It causes almost the same effect as those caused by norepinephrine, but the effect differs in the following aspects. Target cells. Both adrenaline and noradrenaline acts on the cells of the skeletal, cardiac and smooth muscles and blood vessels and fat cells.